about a review of the TGS 800, everyone? When it does that, it's good. When it doesn't do that, it's not good. And just as we were about to do a review on how great this salter is, it broke down in the middle of the route. So here we are. There's a drum inside here. It spins, and we can't get it to spin. Here's the paddle right here. Can't get this to spin anymore. Not sure why it's seized up. Alright, so we just got off the phone with our BOSS sales rep, Gary, and it's this flat right here. What's happening is there's so much weight on it that this is pushing against the paddle and not letting the paddle turn. So we gotta take these two nuts off, loosen that flange up, and take this and pull it back up a little bit. I think that'll be okay, because before it was resting on the actual round part just after this paddle. It was resting like right at the crevice right here. Now, if all the weight is on here, it's back a good ½ inch yet.
Where's the ratchet at?
Right there.
Where's the other one?
On the very back of it. We got everything?
I'm getting that.
All right, take two.